Hi friends, welcome to Informatica Power Center. Today we are discussing one scenario here, how to convert column to row and achieve target beside. So here we have to convert this column value to row value. So we are also doing here removing duplication of data, and we have to put beside the name, we have to give the duplicate city name. After that, our, the names will come, the city comes once and the names will come consecutively or one by one. Suppose we are having bangalore bangalore bng and chennai and pune. So here we are having bangalore, joy and labnita. So in the output I want bng, joy, labnita. In the che, Chennai, Srinivas, Joydeep, Shruti will come beside of this. In the Pune, it comes, only one Pune is there, so it comes as it is. So here we do flat file to flat file conversion. So we have to load the data from the flat file and the target also flat file. So here first we have to create a source file of flat file and target flat file. Then we import the things and do the transformations and get the output. So we will see in the transformation designer. Okay, we move to now transformation designer. Here first we have to create the flat file. This is column data. This can be comma separated values, and we go with save as with the .csv file. This one will save with the .csv file. Okay, now this file can be pasted at the this location c underscore informatica 10.2 server info source files. In the source files we have to put this column data value, and our target file is always there here in the target file location. So where we have to keep this in the session I will tell later. Now we move to informatica designer. So in the designer, we are having source analyzer. In the source analyzer, we have to get the flat file from source, import from file, and then we go to the src files, info shared src files, and we have to keep these all files here. Then we select this column data and OK. So then it asks flat file import wizard. Now we have to enable this import field names from the first line. So these are the field names I am keeping. So go to next, and we have to give the is separation is there. So which delimiter we are used. So we are used only here comma. So we don't have multiple consecutive. So if you have comma any blanks, so we treat consecutive delimiter as one, means not treat multiple delimiter as a and. So if suppose two commas are there, in that between null values there, so we have to treat as a each comma as a separate. Such the in that cases we have to give treat multiple delimiter as a and. So we don't have no codes here, so we go next and give the city name. We have to give like this and go for the finish. So like this target file also we have to import. Now we go to the mapping designer. Here we see we drag and drop the source flat file here from column data to here. Then source qualifier data will source qualifier will generate. This is a native data type of informatica. Then what we do, the step by step we see here. First what we do here, so we have to the yes you are first we need to sort the data. So when we are sorting the data, it will come like this. Then we concatenate the names. These names we concatenate. After the another name comes, so we have to print these names to this name field. So next city, when until that next city arrived, we need to group records and select max name based upon city. So we have to get the max name based upon the city. Okay, for that we have to take here. First we sort the city. First we sort the city. See the keyboard we have to take city. Now we go to the designer, drag and drop starter transformation. You go here, go to ports, and we have to take here. We have to take the precision value is more. Why? Because if we take less value, it takes some precisions. Suppose the name is more than four characters, only it takes up to four characters only. We take here some eight. Okay, and we are taking this as a key, and the values we are putting as a ascending here. Next, what we are doing here, we are doing next, and we go to the expression transformation. We have to create a six ports. In that we have to create five variable ports and one output port. So that variable ports, what we do, we discuss here. First, we are taking city compare flag. Means which city? The cities are both are same or not. Means both are here we see here Bangalore. The Bangalore city is same or not. If it is same, we have to concatenate. We have that is our condition here. So if city equal to old city, take flag is one. Otherwise, take zero. So we have to compare the cities. If IIF city equal to old city. City equal to old city. So we are printing that old city to city compare. And if it is not equal, we take as it is city. So now old city value is earlier 0 here. Earlier nothing is there. Then we are taking the old city is not equal. So the city what is here? The city is here Bangalore. So BNG is assigned to the city compare. Now we are assigning old city to Bangalore, old city to city compare. The city compare value is here Bangalore. So old city becomes here what? Bangalore. Next, name concatenation we are doing here. If city compare flag equal to 1, this flag equal to 1. So no, it is flag equal to 1. No, so that's why it is come directly taking the name concatenate as a name means which name we are getting here. We are getting as a joy. Next, old concatenate to name concatenate. So the old concatenate value we are giving as a joy and out name as a joy we are printing for the first iteration. Then for the next iteration we are doing same city equal to old city. The both cities are equal here. Then it becomes one. Then it becomes one. City compare flag is a 1 1. So it comes like this and coming here the city compare flag equal to 1. Yes, it is true. What is our old concatenate value? The old concatenate value is here joy and the name, what is the name of here? We are having Labanita. So joy, comma Labanita printing. Like that, the city both are not equal. It takes all the values in the name concatenation. Then it will print. So that kind of iteration is going here. Now we go to the designer. We see here same variable ports we are created. If city compare flag, city compare, we are city comparing, then the old city we are assigning to city compare compare variable name. So name underscore concatenate, we are giving the city compare flag equal to 1. So we have to concatenate, otherwise the name of the name we are printing. So old contact becomes this is the name contact. Like that it will iterate and it will give the iterations. First we are getting one city name and second one name, and second iteration two names, third iteration three names. So if it is how many names are there for the same city, that times it is giving the output. So now what we do, we are having multiple values in the name. So for that name, what we do now, we have to take maximum value. For that we are going in the aggregation trans we are doing. So how do we get maximum minimum values? By using the aggregator transformation, we are getting the maximum value. So we are getting out name there from there, and in that we are getting max underscore out name. So we are comparing we are here group buying the city, and we are getting the maximum name. So means in the city column all concatenation name is there, na, that will we are getting here. So and we are taking that value, and we are assigning that value to city and name. Okay, go to the workflow manager. Now we have to give the here session properties as mapping. These both are flat files. Both are flat files. That's why the source file is giving as a column data.csv, and the target is also t underscore column one data.csv we are giving. This is the indication. If we see here, we have to see the properties also advanced. There are only none, so we don't want any double quotes. We want that output file with the column separated value. Okay, and click on OK, and also click on OK, and Control S, and right click on Workflow Designer, click on Start Workflow. Then it will succeeded. So if you see here, we are having total 6 number of success rows. In that we are printing only 3 numbers. So if we see here how many rows we are having here 6 number of rows. In that we are printing 3 numbers. So our criteria is matched with the our session log here. Okay, go to the target files and see the target column data value. So it prints all the names. So if suppose we are given, if suppose we have to delete this target file here, and also if suppose we are given the uh, aggregator transformation, in that the name the output name has given as, let's see, just 10 precision. Now we are here also I'm giving just precision as 10. So if you see apply and OK and save it, and go to the workflow manager and refresh the mapping and save it and start workflow, what will happen? Let's see here. Here also we are getting the data output as same, but if we see in the target file, we are getting only half of the names. Why? Because here the value of precision we are giving only 10. So means up to 10 characters only we it is taking. So for more characters we give the always, whenever we are concatenating aggregating some value, for strings or numbers or anything, we give the value is more. If suppose if I am taking here 30, apply, OK, and save it, and go to the workflow, refresh the mapping and save it. Click on right click on workflow designer, click on start workflow. Now we see we are getting all the values like this. So this is about flat file to flat file. These are the things we have to take it in mind. And also thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like, and for more videos, for my effort, please subscribe and like. For Informatica intelligent cloud service also, videos are now doing. So please subscribe and share. Thank you very much.